My name's Adam Collings, and today I'm going to show you exactly what comes in a ListenTALK demo kit. Okay, so if you're watching this video, it's because you're at some point of evaluating whether or not ListenTALK is going to meet your needs for group communication. And what I want to do is really let you see what comes in the demo kit that we send. So it comes in this hard molded case. We're going to include a quick start guide so that you know how to fire everything up. You'll get the 16-port docking station. This will allow you to charge the devices, to pair the devices. You can manage the software through here. There's a lot of functionality that you get out of the docking station. In addition to that, you'll notice that on the back of the docking station, we've got mounts here so that you could mount this to the wall. You could mount it to the countertop. It really makes it nice so that you can hold all the devices right in the docking station. So we're going to send you a bunch of the transceiver units so that you can pair those together in different groups if you want. You can get an idea for how they sync. You can set up a couple different groups, tour your facility, whatever you need. We're also going to include some of the headsets. Now these headsets that we have in here just have the boom mic and they're just the one ear speaker. But if you want the noise canceling headsets or if you want to try any of the other headsets, we'll include those in your demo kit for you. Over here, we're going to also have some of the lanyards so that you get a feel for, these are just the black lanyards. We've got them in different colors. We're also going to include some of the headsets that include just the over-the-ear speaker with the microphone. And then we'll also make sure that you get the receiver units have the headsets that are just to be able to hear the audio. So we'll include those with the kit as well. We can customize this to whatever your venue is going to need. So call us up, talk to one of our reps. We'll make sure that we include everything in the kit that you're going to need, and we'll send it out to you so you can start using ListenTALK, because we want it in your facility. And when you try it, we know that you're going to see what a difference this system can make.